Hi, I'm Howard from Crazytech. I'm going to be testing and comparing the FiFine T669 Studio Condenser microphone to the Maono AU-A04 microphone. They're very similar in the way they look, and I'm going to be comparing them. Right now, I'm on the FiFine T669. In my review of the FiFine T669 Studio microphone, I had the gain volume up to about 10%. I moved it up just a little bit to about 15 or 20%, and I'm going to do the test. I'm at 4 inches, and this is the FiFine T669 Studio Condenser microphone. I'm at 6 inches. This is the FiFine T669 Studio Condenser microphone. I'm at about 10 inches. This is the FiFine T669 Studio Condenser microphone, and I'm at about 15 to 20% gain. And I'm going to check it out, and I'm going to compare it to the Maono and see how it compares. Be right back. So now I'm recording in OBS Studio using the Maono microphone, and I'm about 6 inches away from the microphone, and I have the pop filter connected. I'm about 4 inches away from the microphone and talking behind the pop filter. And although it sounded a little muffled and a little distorted, and now I'm about 10 inches away from the Maono microphone with the pop filter in front of it. In talking through OBS Studio, I'm recording through OBS Studio, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, you just heard both microphones at 4 inches, 6 inches, and 10 inches. And the first one was the FiFine T669, and the second one was the Maono AU-A04 microphone. Very similar microphones. In comparing both the FiFine T669 and the Maono AU-A04, I found them both high quality. I found a little bit more bass with the AU-A04, the Maono, and I found a little bit more trouble with the FiFine. I think they're both really good microphones, and with the FiFine gain up a little bit, I did see a little distortion at the 4 inches as compared to the Maono at 4 inches. So it depends on what you like, but these are both very good quality microphones. If you like Crazytech, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there on the right side of the screen.